Hi everyone, I'm excited to show you inside the second edition of my Colouring Botanical Mandalas book. I just published this on Amazon and I cannot wait to share the colouring videos with you here on TikTok. So let's have a look inside. First few pages have a bit of information. There's also a colour test. There's lots and lots of floral designs and everything is grouped by season. We start off with spring, move on to summer, and you'll notice that some of the designs are abstract. Some of them are really obvious what the flowers are. Everything is hand drawn, so they're perfectly imperfect with cute designs. Autumn has mostly leaves and seed pods and succulents. Then the winter has festive florals and a few different designs as well. So I'm going to be colouring these designs on TikTok. So if you see any that you want me to colour in first, then let me know in the comments. I'm so excited to get colouring with you.